guys, welcome back to my mukbang channel. So today I have here some steak. I think it's prime rib. My parents just brought it back from this place, Texas Roadhouse. I don't know if there's any Texas Roadhouses near you, but yeah, so the steak looks like this. I'm pretty sure it's like cooked to about a medium well or medium rare, not too sure. Here on the side I have some au jus. I don't know what kind of sauce this is. I'll search it up and I'll put it down in the description. And then here I have some corn that I just made. Okay, so I'm so hungry, so let's go ahead and get started. So I have here my fork and my knife. Oh, that's really good. That's a really nice piece of meat. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna dip it in the au jus. Oh my gosh, that corn, so good. So for a drink today, I have water. The corn is amazing. It's so good. The corn, I put, it's like butter, a little bit of garlic salt, and some pepper. So good. So the steak here, I believe, I'm not too, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I'm like so hungry. Now, this sauce was actually introduced to me by my parents. It's really good. I want to show you. It's still juicy because I believe they smoked it and they didn't put it like, they didn't pan fry it or anything. They just smoked it and it's amazing. Okay, I'm actually gonna just I hope that's better for you guys. And it's honestly, like I'm telling you guys, it's the best piece of meat you guys will ever taste. It's so tender. And some corn. So buttery. Full of like flavor. So good. So freaking good. I have some Chipotle water too. chipotle water is mixed in with lemonade for me. So freaking good. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking tender. I personally do not know what this sauce is. I can tell you that now. It looks like there's butter. It tastes like watered down watered down A1 sauce. To me, at least. It tastes pretty good, but it's not as good as A1. But with this steak right here, this piece of steak, it's really good. I'm actually dying to know what au jus is. I really am. Like, I want to know what's in it. This whole time I've been eating it, but I don't know what the heck is inside of it. I'm getting really full. That was a big piece of steak, and that was a lot of corn. So, I feel like I'm just gonna finish the corn and not the steak. Oh boy. I know. I'm gonna finish this corn. Honestly, I wish you guys were here to taste the steak because it is dynamite. I just honestly want to save it for tomorrow because it was a big steak. Sorry, I know you guys don't like the scraping, but that's the only way I'll get the corn out. Okay, so I'm done and down that whole entire freaking bowl of corn. Insane. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe and comment down below what you think and let me know what else to eat next. All right, bye.